Look at this. Alright. So very exciting guys, no? Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, i-feature ko ito ngayon, itong house for sale, which is with a lot area of 144 square meters and with a floor area of almost 300 square meters. It has 6 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, and car garage. Wow, it's a big house. It's a 3-story house, and this house is fully all in, no? Oh, look at that. Alright, samahan niyo po ako. Pasukin natin sa loob. It's block 18, lot number 14. You have this box, and you have this push button. Guys, it has camera. It's a censored. And pasukin natin. Wow, welcome to your new house. This is a newly constructed unit. And look at the facade. It's a modern, Asian modern. It's so nice, no? And this is your garage area. Wow, look at this. And you have this setback 2 meters for your lanai area. And check natin, it has already screen door. And of course, dito sa likod, you have this kitchen area. Wow. They are selling this unit for 12 million pesos. Look at this. The house is not attached. It's a single detached house. Alright. Okay. Check natin sa loob. Look at this. This is their receiving area. And they have this screen door. Look at this, guys. This is their pantry area. Wow, may tindahan sa loob. And this is the ground floor. They are selling this unit all in, no? Lahat po ng gamit na nasa loob, kasama na siya. And dito sa ibaba, you have this common toilet and bath. Look at it. This is just one. Alright. And also they have this counter. Check natin sa itaas. Wow, look at their stairs. It's nice. It's a wood. And even this one, oh. Wow. And ang ganda ng bahay. It's perfectly designed. Look at this. Okay, so this is the second floor. So dito sa second floor, you have this hallway. Check natin. So this is the bedroom 1. With toilet and bath and with cabinet. Look at this one. Nice. It's nice. Okay, check natin po yung bedroom 2. Another just one, no? This is the bedroom 2. Actually with AC na siya. And you have this toilet and bath. Look at that. And check natin yung master's bedroom. Another room with AC, even with yan, no? Ang maganda dito, guys, lahat ng room ay mayroon siyang toilet and bath. Ano, check natin yung mga pinto nila, ang magandang klase, yung mga hamba at kahoy, and even their doorknobs ang ganda. This one is their balcony, dito sa itaas. It's nice. Check. Ito sa third floor. This is their third floor. Oh, ang taas naman ng kisame, guys. Look at this. It's perfect. Magaling yung pagka-design ng bahay na to, na customized nila. So this is their third floor. They're selling this house, including this Ogawa massage. So, ito po is nasa 400,000. All in na po siya. So, dito sa itaas, meron kang living area. So, check natin. So, this is their 5 room, no? Then, meron tong toilet and bath. Look at this. Nice. Even their fixtures, no? Maganda yung fixtures nila. Okay. And check natin naman yung another room here. So, itong sofa, kasama na siya, binibenta. And even this one, look at this. This is the bedroom 6. Wherein it has aircon. At kung ano po nakikita nyo dito sa loob ng bahay, kasama na siya, guys. So, ang maganda dito sa itaas po ay nandito yung kanilang living area. Look at this. So, this is their balcony dito sa itaas. Wow, nasa 3rd floor na tayo. The house is nice. Actually guys, ayun lang po yun. So, kawit lang po yan, no? Proper. Then, nandun na siya lahat, guys. If you are interested with this unit, so, nasa link lang po yung description nito. At kung gusto nyo pabisitahin, so, they're selling this at 12 million pesos. Alright, so much and have a nice day. Pababa tayo, guys. Okay, ang ganda ng bahay, no? Bilhin nyo na ito. So, sa 12 million pesos, all in. Look at their stairs. Stairs nila, ang ganda. At saka bawat room. Wow, it's a massive house. It's very nice. This is their living area, the ground floor. No, check natin yung labas kasi meron pa tong special features dito na kakaiba. Wow, ang may special feature nitong bahay na to is bago ka makapasok dito po, meron kang facial detector. So, video monitor. Oh, it's a nice, no? Bagong design. Yeah. This safe kayo po. Alright, so thank you so much guys and God bless. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest update. Or you can message me in my WhatsApp and Viber at 0927-472-4976. Or you can chat me in my messenger at Reynaldo Jr. Pundulan Miliada to get the latest update.